Hello there, friends! Today, we're going to learn about the amazing green sea turtle. Green sea turtles are super cool creatures that live in the big ocean. Let's explore some fun facts about them together. They're awesome creatures that live in the big ocean. Let's find out some cool stuff about them. Green and shiny. Green sea turtles have a shell that looks like a shiny emerald. It's not just green, it's super shiny too. They swim in the ocean and look so pretty with their green shells. Turtle power. Green sea turtles are fantastic swimmers. They use their strong flippers to glide through the water. They can go really fast when they want to. Turtle tummy time. Do you know what green sea turtles like to eat? They munch on yummy seaweed and plants. They have special jaws that help them chomp on their favorite food. Hide and seek. Sometimes, green sea turtles like to play hide and seek. They dive deep into the ocean and hide among the coral reefs. It's like their own underwater game. Growing up, just like you, green sea turtles grow bigger as they get older. When they hatch from their eggs, they are tiny, but as they grow, they become big and strong. Turtle talk. Green sea turtles are not big talkers like us, but they make funny noises underwater. They might be saying hello to their turtle friends. Safe and sound. Green sea turtles need our help to stay safe. We should keep our oceans clean and free from trash. That way, our turtle friends can swim happily. Wasn't that fun, friends? That was fun, right? Green sea turtles are so cool. Let's remember to take care of our oceans so they can keep swimming happily. See you later, alligator. Green sea turtles are such interesting creatures. Remember to take care of our oceans so our turtle friends can keep swimming happily. Until we meet again for yet another exciting underwater adventure, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you next time.